You're probably sitting in front of your computer right now, sipping your coffee or tea, and thinking, is there a reliable and effective way to make money online in 2023? Well, my friend, you clicked on the right video. Brewing up profits and possibilities. That's what we do here at the Business Cafe, your source for all things money making. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, you've heard about stocks, cryptocurrencies, e-commerce, and the countless stories of people making fortunes online. But how do you distinguish the real opportunities from the flashy distractions? Let's find out. Now, before we sail further, if you're finding this journey intriguing, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're new here, why wait? Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our fresh content. All set? Let's dive back in. When we talk about earning online, we're essentially navigating a vast sea with numerous islands. Each island represents a unique opportunity: e-commerce, affiliate marketing, content creation, and more. But just like any expedition, preparation is key. E-commerce, the digital storefront. Here, you don't need a physical store, just an idea, a platform, and a drive. Whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or even Etsy, the world of e-commerce is ever expanding and brimming with opportunities. But remember, like any store, it requires dedication, customer service, and a touch of innovation. Affiliate marketing. Have a knack for marketing but don't want to manage an inventory? This could be your golden ticket. Promote products, earn commissions, and voila! But tread wisely. Promote what you believe in and ensure it aligns with your audience's interests. Content creation. Are you charismatic, knowledgeable about a niche topic? Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and podcasts offer vast potential. But it's not just about churning out content. It's about building an engaged community. And remember, consistency is your best friend here. Online courses and consultations. If you've mastered a skill on our subject, why not share it with the world? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to publish courses, where Zoom or Skype can be the gateway for your consultation sessions. In the age of information, knowledge is indeed power, and in this case, also lucrative. Investing. Stocks, crypto, real estate. The online world has democratized access. Platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase have simplified the process. But remember, investments always come with risks. Educate yourself, start small, and always be informed. Are you enjoying the treasure of information we're sharing? If so, let us know in the comments which online earning method excites you the most. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It motivates us to bring more valuable content your way. Navigating the world of online earning might seem daunting, but with the right tools, mindset, and a dash of persistence, the treasures are yours for the taking. The best way to earn online aligns with your passion, skills, and dedication. Find that sweet spot, and the online world becomes your oyster. Now that we've taken a sneak peek at some exciting money-making possibilities, let's dive right in and explore each of them in detail. First, let's dive deep into e-commerce. When you think about e-commerce, it's not just about selling products, it's about solving problems. For instance, if you're selling ergonomic chairs, you're not just selling furniture, you're offering a solution to back pain, enhancing productivity, and promoting a healthier work-from-home lifestyle. It's crucial to think about your target audience's pain points and how your product can address them. In the realm of e-commerce, branding is king. It's not enough to just have a product. Your brand story, values, and aesthetics are what will make you stand out in the saturated digital marketplace. Have you ever been attracted to a product simply because of its packaging or its brand story? That's the power of branding. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. E-commerce also demands top-notch customer service. In the digital age, a single negative review can influence hundreds, if not thousands, of potential customers. Ensure you prioritize after-sales service, always seeking feedback to improve and evolve. Next is affiliate marketing. Imagine being the bridge between a customer and their desired product. And every time they walk over that bridge, you earn a commission. That's affiliate marketing in essence. However, credibility is your currency here. If you recommend a product, make sure it's something you genuinely believe in. Moreover, it's not just about promoting a product. It's about adding value. Perhaps it's through a comprehensive review, a tutorial, or even showcasing its practical uses. The more value you bring to your audience, the higher the trust, and subsequently, the higher your conversions. Moving forward, let's explore the nuances of content creation. Content creation is as much art as it is business. It's storytelling, teaching, entertaining, and influencing all wrapped into one. Platforms like YouTube offer more than just an avenue to upload videos. They provide analytics, insights into your audience's behavior, and even strategies to increase your reach. Mastering these tools can skyrocket your growth. However, with countless creators emerging every day, differentiation is crucial. Perhaps it's your unique style, your perspective, or even the niche you're targeting. What's your USP or unique selling proposition in this vast digital content sea? Answering this will pave the way for your content strategy. Shifting our focus, we'll examine online courses and consultations. Imagine without walls, borders, or even a fixed timetable. The world of online courses offers this flexibility. The best part? Your knowledge becomes evergreen, helping and guiding people even while you sleep. However, the success of an online course is rooted in its curriculum and delivery. Can your students apply what they've learned? Do they leave your course with a tangible skill or improvement? These outcomes determine the course's success. As for consultations, it's about genuine connections. It's one thing to be expert, but being able to guide, motivate, and inspire someone through a one-on-one session is a skill in itself. Always ensure you're not just delivering information, but also paving the path for transformation. Following that, we'll delve into the basics of investing. In the age of information, ignorance is a choice, especially when it comes to investing. Platforms offer myriad resources, tutorials, webinars, and even paper trading to practice without using real money. But remember, all the knowledge in the world is futile without action. Diversification is the name of the game. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread out your investments, monitor trends, and most importantly, be patient. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a platform for informed decisions, patience, and sometimes accepting losses. Each avenue of online earning we explore today has its nuances, challenges, and rewards. Your journey might be sprinkled with trials and errors, but remember, every failure is a stepping stone to success. Equip yourself with knowledge, be persistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Because in the digital realm, it's as much about the destination as it is about the journey itself. What online earning method intrigues you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more insights and guidance on making money online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us at the Business Cafe, and we'll see you in the next video.